Happy holidays, everyone! You know, every year we like to do something extra special as a family. Last year we did a crab boil and it was such a huge hit. This year we decided that we wanted to do something a little more intimate. Sitting on the couch, enjoying some of our favorite comfort foods while soaking up the ambiance of our Christmas decor. Thanks to the help of the incredible sponsor of this video, DIRECTV. The best part about the holidays is being able to cozy up with a blanket and pillows and eating our favorite snacks and watching our favorite holiday movie. I am going to be sharing some of my steps on how you can navigate through the holiday season with a little Christmas decor and setting up my mini snack station. I'm removing my everyday decor and I'm adding evergreen garland. You've seen me use this garland before and it's absolutely my favorite to use because it's so flexible. A lot of movement. This is what I'm going to use on the mantle. Evergreen garland screams Christmas to me. I've had this garland for quite a few years, and next I am adding this beautiful ribbon for a touch of glam and some ornaments. Some are tucked in between the garland and some are hanging. Pine or cinnamon scented candles are also great to set the vibe, and I'm using battery operated candles. Safety first to protect our TV. And I love using candles while watching TV in general because it offers that cozy glow while you're watching a movie. The quickest and the easiest way to add touches of Christmas around the room is to add cozy throw blankets. But this is the time of the year that you can buy all types of Christmas themed baked goods. It's all about variety and giving your guests choices. Not everyone likes sweets. Some like salty snacks and some like appetizers.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
This is so easy to install, even I could do it, but why would I? Here's what you get: the backlit remote control and the streaming device. It's simple, and I mean simple. Install with HDMI, and it does use USB-C. Just plug in any available HDMI on the back of your TV and plug in your power cord. I'm so excited to sit and relax and enjoy all of the holiday decor with my family and diving in all of my favorite live TV shows and news local channels on DIRECTV. DIRECTV Gemini brings your favorite apps and channels together in one place. Easy access to the streaming apps you love like Netflix, Max, Prime Video, and more. And what excites me the most? No more switching back and forth between inputs to watch different streaming services. The holidays aren't complete without watching a good movie on DIRECTV. Has 60,000 plus on-demand shows and movies to choose from, which is perfect for nights like this one. With DIRECTV's 2-year price guarantee, I can sit back, stop worrying, and start watching some of my favorite Christmas movies with or without a satellite, and even watch wherever I go with the DIRECTV app. Whether you're here for a good movie or here for movie night ideas or decor, be sure to elevate your entire space with loads of fun and excitement for your loved ones by adding DIRECTV. Don't compromise your TV. Make sure you get DIRECTV today. I'll leave a clickable link in the description box for your convenience.